Exercise number 2. Calculate the grade of a student. The problem statement is write a Python program to calculate total marks and percentage and grade of a student. The marks are obtained in each of the 5 subjects are to be input by the user. So assign grades according to the following criteria. So they are giving the conditions. If percentage is greater than 80, then the grade will be A. Else, if percentage greater than 80 and less than 80, then the grade is B. Otherwise, if percentage is greater than 60 and less than 70, the grade will be C. Or else, percentage greater than or equal to 40 and less than 60, the grade is D. Else, grade is E. Now we'll see the algorithm. So, algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step process for the given problem is known as algorithm. Here, before going to write a program, we have to write the algorithms. The first step is get the values for the as marks for different subjects using the input function. So the subjects are Tamil, English, Maths, Python and NME marks. So you can use any 5 subjects, then calculate the total marks for all subjects, then calculate percentage marks using that formula like total marks obtained by the students divided by number of marks. Then percentage you had to calculate. After that, finding the degree. For that, using condition statements, if the given criteria is satisfied, then the corresponding grade is displayed. So this same process continue till we find the degrees according to the percentage marks. Otherwise, the final degree is grade is E. Then stop the process. So next slide shows the flow chart for the given problems. So based on that algorithms, we are designing the flow chart. In previous class, in exercise 1, I have detailedly explained about the flowchart symbols for different statements. So for start and stop statements are represented by this symbol, oval symbols. Then IO statements, input and then output are represented by using the parallelogram symbols. Then the processings are used using the rectangle symbols to calculate the total and then find the percentage. Using the conditions, you can check the different criteria. If condition is true, the corresponding grade values are displayed. So for that we use the decisions making, we use diamond symbols. So diamond the symbol represents the if conditions. It contains a two path, either true path or false path. If it is true, the grade will be printed. Otherwise, false. Again check the another conditions. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 70, if it is true, then you find the grade B, or else again you go for another conditions that percentage is greater than or equal to 60 and less than 70. If it is so, find the grade is C. Else again check the conditions. If percentage is greater than or equal to 50 and less than 60, we will find the grade is D. Else again you check the conditions. If percentage is greater than or equal to 40 and less than 50, then find the grade is E. Else you stop the process. So now I am going to give demo for the Python program how to find the grade value. So for that I am opening the Jupyter. So initially I am giving that description about this program. For that I am using the single line command line statements. This is the Python program to find grade of a student, right? So first you had to get the number of subjects. So in the problem statement itself they given the total number of subjects is 5. So that's why I'm using n equal to 5. Then I'm using the for loop to get the value from the user. Then the range is from 1 to n. So inside the for loop I'm getting the marks which is equal to input. Using input function we are getting the marks from the user. I enter the text, enter the marks for different subject. So this will be repeated 5 number of times. Then find the total. Total equal to total plus then marks value. So before I have to initialize the total equal to 0. Then this will be repeated. Then finally find the percentage value. Percentage equal to total divided by n into 100. So each subject has the maximum 100 marks. That's why I'm giving like this. Then we can print the total and then subject. I'm giving the format total marks is percentage point to f. Then I'm printing the total, comma, the next line I'm printing the percentage mark. So I am giving the text marks is, again I'm giving the format percentage to f. Then I'm displaying the percentage. Okay. Now I'll run the program. It asks me marks for different subject. I'm that thing a 5 subject. No, I'm giving the marks for 5 subject. So because when you're reading that marks from the user, if you use the input function, it will take string value. So you have to convert this into float or int. So that's why it is showing the error. I'm correcting that error. Again I tried to execute this program. It asks me the enter the marks for different subject. So I had to give the 5 subject marks. Okay. The percentage you have to multiply by 100 again. Yes, I'm giving that formula. So total marks obtained by the student divided by maximum marks and then into 100, because you have to find the percentage. Okay. Then now I'm going to find that grade value. So for that I'm using the if statement. So instead of percentage, I'm giving that P symbol, because then it will be easy for us. Okay. Simply I'm giving the percentage, then it will be easy for use. If P greater than or equal to 80, then print grade A, else. So I'm using elif statements. Else again I'm checking the condition. If else if greater than or equal to 70, then print grade B. Else again I'm checking that if it is true like this, else I am using the elif because I have to check the another criteria. If it is 60, then print grade C. Else again I'm using the elif statement. I'm checking the condition. If it is greater than or equal to 50, then print grade D. Else print grade is E. Okay. Now I run the program. It asks me to enter the marks for the different subjects. So we have already initialized n equal to 5. So we have to give 5 subject marks. Then it displays the total and percentage marks, and then the grade is A because the percentage is greater than or equal to 80. If it is greater than or equal to, the grade is A. Suppose again I run that program. If I run that program, it asks me that enter the marks for different subject. So now we'll see that percentage is 43. Then what is the grade? If it is greater than less than 50, the grade is E. I think I will get the correct answer. Hope you all understand about this program.